So my store isn't open yet. My grand opening is gonna be soon. So I have taken all of the holiday stuff down. It was cute, but it's definitely cumbersome. I'll definitely decorate out in the front for the holiday and maybe the windows, but I'm not decorating the whole store. It took so long to put up, so long to take down. I got my 2 little chairs here. We have a lot of mall walkers, so they tend to sit here. And so I like to put out this stuff at the table because people do sit there. I made this new arrangement, and then this is the little flyer for my grand opening, and then cards that people can take if I am not here. My store signs are still the same in terms of my hours, my little trees that I love. And then this is I do like a sign every month. My little flyers on there. This one says New Year, New Do, and it just talks about stopping in and scheduling a private appointment. I just put that there. This was inside and I moved it, and so now it's outside, and I added some florals. So I've had this big pot forever and it's gorgeous and I love it. So yeah, that's kind of how things look now. So let's come on in. Let's start this way because this is kind of where I changed a lot of the things. I moved these back here. I just kind of like this. Right now it's set up to highlight the Tressler styles that are on sale. And also there's a small business in here that sells glasses. So they gave me all these cute glasses to put on the mannequins, and I have their little cards out. But it kind of just shows you what things can look like with glasses, because a lot of people wear wigs, you know, with glasses. So I thought this would be a cool little centerpiece idea to do. I did add some accessories right here. This was in another place before, and so I added those. I got these cool new like cards to put the ponytail holders on to display them, so that's really cool. I still have my 2 mannequins on either side on these white stands. And over here, I can't remember, I think this was over here in the last vlog, but this is where I have all the Wig Guru wig grips. I do have some new Jean Renault hair pieces, so those are there. And then these are kits that I put together, which is like a Renee Paris travel kit that you can get, and it has the whole kit and everything together, so those just live there. I used to make jewelry, so I have a lot of these velvet displays, so I pulled some out to show some of the jewelry pieces. We got our little girls here, and then I put this table back here, and this is, I don't know if this would have been in the last vlog or not, because this is a newer stand that I got, a newer display, and I really love it. I have this one and a square one. And then my partner got me this. This is actually like a battery powered light that he got from Dollar General, because I really love the salt lamps. I put it in this candle holder and it just looks so pretty. And we just have our little accessories there, and I have my flowers that just match my whole aesthetic. Changing the store over for holiday literally took so long. It took too long. I think I'll just do window displays in the front. If I had a whole team, we could do all that, but like I changed and had all kinds of stuff in here. I just cannot do that when it's on my own. Right now, this is set up because I'm doing a big video. It keeps getting put off, but it's gonna get done this week, maybe even today after I'm done with this. But this is my wall of grays. I want to do a full video on grays. So we have her over there. All these are different types of grays, and I want to just do a full video on that. I've been kind of setting up the store in like, if I can, grouping things. It makes it easier for me to just grab some stuff and do a video for you guys quick, but also when I'm speaking to people and doing consultations, it helps. So like for instance, these 2 girls here, and then all these 4 in the front, these are all human hair blends. So they're all together, so I can speak about them all together if that's what we're talking about. And these were all of the new Aesthetica launches, but I actually sold a few of them, so I just have 2. But if I decide to do a video or something on them, they're together. I have new combs. Aren't they the cutest? New detangling combs. And then I'm actually carrying army hats now, but I sold out of all of them. They were supposed to be here yesterday, but I did use these travel wig stands that are going to be displaying the hats that I'm going to sell. I'm just down to 1 because I sold all of them except for this particular one. And then, you know, homecoming season is going to be coming up soon. So I have this little, it's like a picture frame thing, and it's dry erase. So these are like fancy earrings. and the fancy hair combs. Right here, these are some synthetic hair accessories, some clip-on ponytails and stuff by Estetica. Those are all together. Another sort of featured necklace and wig. And then this, I love this. There's a light in here. Literally, I got this, I think from Dollar Tree, and you can just turn it on and turn it off, but it looks so cute in here, and it just makes it so easy that way. This is another one of the wigs that's sort of part of this group here, which is the Tressolor ones that are on sale. All right, let's go over here. So this is my featured table. I've had this here. I got these new headbands, so these are sort of displayed and set up right here. And then I have this little sign here. What's the best hairpiece for you? Let me help you find it, just to encourage people as they're walking by. These I need to get new batteries in the other two, but they like flicker and they're really cute. That used to be in my house. My partner doesn't like a lot of stuff, so a lot of the stuff that's in here was literally stuff that was in my house. And then this I don't think I had the last time. I got this basket thing, and look, it says, I wrote that, take a basket. And I got these little baskets for people who are shopping for like hair accessories or like just little things like all of your, you know, sprays and this and that. So you can have a little basket to shop. So I got those. This is a little crate thing that I put together. It's got the box set of the Tress Tech, and then this is my sort of lashes and glue area. And then I moved this over here, which has the travel wax, which was out forever, the Estetica sea salt spray, and then the Renee Paris brushes. And then this I change up pretty frequently. I'll be changing it up after this video to make sure everything's sort of like pinkish, like for Valentine's Day. But I have all of these little accessories just to get people excited. Another sign here, and then I have these Renee Paris wig grips right there. And then I added another little necklace thing right here. These are all the hairdo synthetic hair accessories. I'm actually doing a live sale where I'm going to be pulling all these out to show you and to sell, so that'll be on the next live sale. I switched around this a little bit. I moved this white stand over here, and I have these accessories. So this is the other sort of circle. This is sort of where people check out, so it's like the little cash wrap thing. But these cute headbands, I got this headband stand, which I actually love a lot. It's funny, you would think headband stands would be easy to find. I don't love a lot of them. A lot of them are more made for like having your headbands at home, not making it so someone could buy and easily take them on and off. So I love this one that I got. And then again, this is from when I had jewelry. This is another one of these like picture framey type things, and it is dry erase, and these are necklace earring sets. And I say, please check out everything. I moved that. And then these are just some synthetic accessories that I just put there along with these two areas. These are things I would be more helping people with, so I would go and get them. It's not something like someone would look to, so that's why I put it down on the bottom. These I haven't had for a long time, so I got these clips back, and then it's a little sign that says thank you for supporting the small business and what we accept in terms of payment tender. Then I have some new accessories. These are the overflow of those headbands that just didn't fit, and my waterfall clips. These are actually the last that I have demonstrated on Miss Vivica Fox's Deborah, I think it is. And then I did add this sign because even though I say it and it's on my website, I wanted to make sure I displayed that some of these are final sale, especially when people come in the store and they get fully fitted by me. There really shouldn't be any need to like return it, other than you just change your mind or whatever. But like, this isn't the type of product that can just be done that way. So if you come in, you get 2 hours with me, you're being fully fitted, there really shouldn't be a reason to return it. There's still some things that are returnable, but I just wanted to put this on there to have a little conversation about it. A little candy dish, because you gotta have this. This is another one of those stands that I bought, and these are some new necklaces I got that are so cute, and there's some on both sides. And I love these stands because these move, so you can take these on or off. You can add more, add less, and I just love them. And then this is where I keep all the My Brow type stuff. And I actually got some new My Brow products, like 28-day mascara and all kind of stuff. So I'll be adding that. So I'll probably have to change this around a little bit to make sure that that's displayed adequately. Okay, and then this I definitely redid in terms of how I use it. Right there in the middle, I put all the Bosley products that I carry, which is really nice, and then all of the heat tools except for the one by Envy, because I have one that I use here, but I don't have one to display. And then we have the Renee Paris stuff here, sparkling earrings, and then these three girls are wearing toppers, because in this store I'm finding that people are coming in way more for toppers. And so this just actually, it helps me a lot just to explain, because they're all different cap constructions, and it just helps me to explain that and narrow things down with people. And then this is the little accessories section, so cute. And then these are the new earrings that I just got, and they're on both sides, so I can flip these around. So this way I don't even have to necessarily come up with, like, I can set this up, and you want to change things every week or two, so I can just kind of flip it around, and then it's like, oh, it's new. And then this is still the same, which is where the hair grip stuff sits. Okay. And then my office, which is actually a little bit messy right now. And then I don't know if I had these two stands the last time. I thought that I did, but this has all of the Renee Paris ready to wear, like clip-on ponytails and halo extensions. That's what I'm wearing. I'm wearing one of these clip-on ponytails in the wavy version, the beach wave. And then some hairdo ones on the bottom. These are the extensions that are the full extensions. And so those are there. People ask me about these quite a bit, and I have them there for reference. Got some necklaces here, and yeah, so we did that. I added a couple pictures and switched some around. I don't know, again, I can't remember if those were in the last vlog. I don't think they were, because it was like a Christmas vlog. So I got a couple more, and I got that one too with the pink to kind of pull in that part of the color. I added this bench. So you can sit on this. This is an actual bench. That's just a hot chocolate pillow for like the winter. I'll take it off soon, but it matches and it's cute and it's still cold. It's actually 16 degrees right now. So we need a little bit of hot chocolate. And then I just added that for like decoration. This area is kind of like the travel area. I have the little sign here that says, ask me what you need for traveling. You got the stands and everything. These specialty kits that I'm putting together, that's the first one I have, but I'm putting them together. Styling clips, the wig case, and then this is just little extras over here, brushes, combs, things like that. And then this is the Christine headwear section, which I never really displayed before, so I was like, I need to talk more about it. These are all of the ones that are for youth, the cheetah headbands, the regular turbans, and then I have them shown on these girls. So this is the cheetah headband on her, the different turbans, and then there's some overflow down there. And then, oh, my partner got me this lamp. He got me two of them. I'm in love with this thing. So it basically, I don't have to burn the candle. It heats it from the top. And the nice thing is that depending on how bright you have it, it actually will make it so it's more or less scent. So when you burn a candle, you just get what you get. With this, you can actually control the amount of scent, which for someone who suffers from migraines, I absolutely love that. I'm actually gonna turn this one off while I'm in here. And then I put another little necklace. This tree used to be in my house and I just put it behind there. I got my tissues right out in center because I do use them a lot, especially in this room. This is the private consultation room, and I find that I'm using, people are reaching for the tissues a lot. These are some alternative hairs that aren't necessarily a regular wig. You got your hat wig here, and then this is your 3/4 wig. So I wanted to display those as options. There's another one of those little lights that he got me. And then this is the cart I use when I work with people, when I go to the back and get wigs that I want to fit on them. Right now, these wigs are wigs that I'm doing videos on. So, and then last but not least is this section. This is the main section in the front. These are the newest releases from Tressalor. So I was planning on doing a video. So what I can do is just set my camera up right here and be able to point to each of these girls, chat them on and everything. And then they're right there, which is really helpful. Have some different combs down there. I have some synthetic hair accessories kind of hanging out right there. Nothing on the tables really changed at all. And then I got these little makeup things in these baskets. There was a sign here. I actually moved it out here. So there was two out here and then two back here. But they have all the pertinent information, like the types of helper hair. This one's the wig fiber types, and then that's the cap construction. And I thought for like talking to people, I also have a cosmetology school that's coming in, and I'm gonna do a class for them. It'll just make it easier to do that right there. This is where I keep all of my extras. I'm working on some stuff, so there's some out of there. This is all my extra stuff. And yeah, I got my little Trust Tech thing. These, and I won't show you because I don't want to show you anybody's personal information, but I got these cards and they're like what you would do for a beautician, but I have people coming in so I can put their information, what they ended up buying, what we tried on, what they like, what they don't like, and then whenever they come back, I can just look up the card and I have it there. And then this is a halo wig, and so I have this out because it's something that people may not think about being able to wear. I just wanted as many examples as possible. And yeah, some more accessories, synthetic hair accessories. This is all like my appointment book, my appointment card that I have. And then I have another one of these little light things, which I love. And then I always have to have music, so it's kind of just sitting back here. Once I move this around to add the product, I might have to move that a little bit, but it's okay where it's at. And then those are my bags, my extra stands, and this is just extras. A lot of this is like freebie stuff that I gave away, although not these combs. They just fit nicely there. And then I got these little baggies to put jewelry in whenever I wrap it up, and extra Kleenex, and this snowman brick, which I keep wanting to move. I'll just move it now. It's actually, I'm just gonna turn it this way. It's my son made it for me, so it's like I don't want to move it. Just want to leave it there. Oh, these are the little signs of people who gave like ideas and like tips for people. I'm still gonna add more. I'm probably gonna add them throughout this entire shelf. Just hadn't had a chance to do that. So yeah, so that is kind of what everything looks like and why I changed certain things. Let me know what you think. Do you like what I changed? Is there something, if you were coming in, you would like to see, or how it would be laid out, or whatever? Any thoughts you have? And yeah, that is what I have for you, and I will see you soon. Bye.